Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see your Apple ID passwords on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to see the password of your Apple ID, but you have forgot and you do not want to show it, and so you want to see it so that you can simply log in into your Apple ID anytime. So if you want to see your Apple ID password, so how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on that. So in general, you have to scroll it down and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now if you want to check the password, then there are two methods, and the first one is as that you have to simply open any browser or Safari which you have. So here you can simply open the Google, and here you have to make sure that you have logged into your Google. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings of your Google account, and after that you can simply go to the password setting, and after that you have to search for the Apple. And as you search for the Apple, and if you have saved the password in your Google account, then there will be shown your password. And the next option is that if you have saved your password in Apple ID passwords in passwords app, then you can also find that from here. So here you can simply see that all the passwords are here. So if you want to check for your password, then you can simply search for Apple ID here, and after that, if you have saved the password, then it will be here, so that you can simply see that password on your iPhone iOS 18. So after that, you can simply check for that password on your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.